How to fix OBS dropped frame rate. So if you're trying to stream or record in OBS Studio and you're getting dropped FPS, I'm going to show you 3 ways on how to go and solve this issue. So first thing we're going to do is close out of the OBS app. You then need to open up your start menu, search for OBS, and then right click on the application and make sure to run this as administrator. Now by doing this, it's going to make sure that the application is running as high priority. Now once you're on the app, you need to right click on this window here and then go and disable the preview, as this can cause FPS issues. Now finally click on settings in the bottom navigation. Go and click on advanced. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see sources. Go and disable enable browser source hardware acceleration. You could then press apply and OK, and it will say OBS needs to be restarted. Press yes. And once you've done this, that should fix any FPS issues with OBS Studio.